Hello, my name's Yvonne, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own wedding website using The Knot. After you make an account and log in, you'll want to go to your wedding website tab, where first you should choose your theme. The theme I chose is Willow Marsh Tea Rose. However, there's a variety of themes and designs for each bride and groom to choose from. After that, you can go back to your website, where you can change your URL, personalize your domain, and also your privacy settings, such as having a password where guests can sign in. Here you can see the guest list, the registry, and our wedding. You can click on any one of these to really customize your website however you choose. So for example, for our story, you can change the title and also write your own personal story, or even add more stories if you'd like. For details of the wedding, you can add guest accommodations, so you can tell your guests where the best places to stay would be, what are the best things to do, and how to travel and get around. You can also import photos from Facebook or Instagram so your guests can see your engagement photos, as well as sync a registry. So there's a variety of companies that The Knot works with, such as Bed Bath & Beyond, Amazon, which is really popular, Target, so all your guests will know what gifts to get. Another important aspect of this are the guest books, where your guests can customize a message for you once they RSVP. After you've made all of your website updates and designs, you can preview your website. So here it even tells you how many days left there is to go and all the other tabs. So to go into our story, you can see the story here, where the wedding's going to be, and also the wedding party. It's really easy to make a website. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you for watching.